That's it. You gotta hold it. You let it go. The only substance that water, because of water, water, this line, you've heard this story before. This line, the solid liquid line tilts this way and allows water to exist as ice, a solid, a liquid, and a vapor. Okay. All at minus 0 degrees Celsius, I think, in 1 atmosphere. For water is the only thing, water is the only substance that can do this. There are tons of research publications devoted to finding water. There are over 12 different structures of ice. Like they look at how structures of ice can be packed under high pressure in case it exists on another planet. What would Ringo say? What's Ringo going to say about sublimation? Okay, caffeine sublimes nicely under a vacuum, which is what you're going to create today. It will not so well at atmospheric pressure because air molecules basically push the evaporated caffeine of molecules back down in the condensed phase. We have 1 atmosphere of pressure, 14 pounds per square inch of atmosphere of molecules pushing down on us. Okay, this is your sublimation apparatus. You already have it set up. Okay, and I took a picture exactly that came from your textbook. This one came exactly from your textbook. So this is what you're going to do today.
Wait, so it's already set up for us there?
No, didn't you? No, let me cut you off. You have this ready, right? From last class.
Yeah.
And then this is a finger. This is a cold finger. This is the cold finger. Then you're going to put ice in it. Okay? And these are the directions. It shouldn't take long. Dr. Gandy said it's not that this part didn't take long. I provided you with a handout to help you out. Okay? This is some cold finger, 0.5 centimeters distance from the solid. In the solid, I think you still have the calcium chloride, those little things. It's okay if it stays there. Alright? Then you can heat it up so that you fight atmospheric pressure, okay? Some temperature, and then it's a cold trap. Something will spontaneously go from hot. It'll sublime spontaneously from a hot to cold, right? So what I'm hoping is that this won't take long. When I got here at 2 o'clock, the lab is gone. So if he starts at 11:30, he talks maybe until 12:30, and then that class is gone in an hour and a half. So you should already have this set up, right? I think, and then follow your microscale. I saw you guys working very well together, so I do want you to do, if you feel so, I want you to hang out a little bit today and do a real reflux, okay? And I'll show you what I want you to do. I know some of you guys, I've seen that some of you guys are traveling as well. Also, what I've tried to bring for you today, because you're so rushed, is that this is an IR spectrum for caffeine. In a normal experiment, you would have done sublimed caffeine, and then you would have analyzed it in some form of fashion. On this sheet is the IR spectrum of caffeine and also a mass spectrum of caffeine. So you in a little longer time period, but just briefly, this is a picture of my mentor's father. He had this. My mentor's father found his own crater on the moon, and had his own observatory in my mentor. I'll show you a picture of my mentor next time. And this is on the back is a technique that he taught me.